Olá pessoal, welcome back to Playing Portuguese, where you learn how to talk about your sports preferences like a Brazilian. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and catch up on the videos you have missed. Everyone has their preferences, don't they? I like this. I like that. Well, in today's class, you'll learn how to talk about your preferences using two super common verbs in Portuguese: gostar and preferir. Grab your notebook and join me. Today, we'll start our class a little differently. Since we'll be talking about sports preferences, how about playing a little game, huh? Well, in Portuguese, we use jogar, play with some sports, and fazer, do with some others. So, which verb would you choose for each sport? We'll see 10 of them. Well, let's see the first one. Would you say jogar or fazer futebol? Jogar. Muito bem. Now, how about voleibol or vôlei? Jogar. The next, ginástica. Did you say fazer? Muito bem. Tênis. How about tênis? Jogar tênis. Are you keeping track of your score? Do it. Karatê. Jogar ou fazer karatê? Fazer karatê. Natação. Would you say jogar, fazer? Fazer natação. And how about golfe? Jogar golfe. Basquetebol, or simply basquete. Jogar basquete. Oh, now the famous jiu-jitsu. Fazer jiu-jitsu. And the last, yoga. Fazer yoga. How many out of 10 did you get right? Tell me later. When talking about preferences, one of the most common verbs used is gostar. Repita. Gostar. Gostar. Gostar is a regular verb, meaning that it conjugates just like any other AR ending verb. If you haven't seen that class, watch it after this one. Well, today I'll simplify the reading of the conjugation table, yeah? So, eu gosto, você, ele, ela, a gente gosta, nós gostamos, vocês, eles e elas gostam. Let's see a few examples. Eu gosto de fazer natação. You must use de between gostar and the other verb. Is it optional, Bea? No, it's not. You must use de between gostar and the other verb, as in, eu gosto de fazer natação. Eu gosto de fazer natação. Ele gosta de jogar futebol. Repita. Don't forget de. Ela gosta de jogar tênis. Nós gostamos de jogar vôlei. Eles gostam de fazer jiu-jitsu. If I have to choose between volleyball and swimming, I choose swimming. I prefer swimming. Prefer. Here's another useful verb to express preferences. Em português, preferir. Repita. Preferir. Preferir. Let's see how it conjugates in the present tense without simplifications this time. Repita. Eu prefiro. Você prefere. Ele prefere. Ela prefere. A gente prefere. Nós preferimos. Vocês preferem. Eles preferem. Elas preferem. Now, our examples. Eu prefiro fazer natação. It's important to highlight that we say eu gosto de fazer natação, but eu prefiro fazer natação. There's nothing between these two verbs. So again, eu prefiro fazer natação. Repita. Ele prefere jogar basquete. Ela prefere fazer ginástica. Nós preferimos jogar golfe. Elas preferem fazer yoga. Muito bom. We have just seen that with some sports we use jogar, some others fazer, but there are some activities we won't use either. Correr, pedalar, caminhar, only to name a few. Você prefere correr ou caminhar? Que esportes você gosta de jogar? Que esportes você gosta de fazer? Tell me in the comments below. The more you interact with me here, the more I keep making videos for you. Thank you for watching another class and see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!